We have almost come to the end of the pre-hearing session. The parties, we've now streamlined the witnesses we are calling, the times allocated to each witness, the times we are going to use. And we are very happy with the progress that is being made, and also the sacrifice that the court itself is making. You can see today is a Saturday, yet the court convened and sat in order to hear this matter, which underscores its importance. So once we finish with this pre-hearing, we now go into the actual hearing. We're very happy with the progress made so far.
A lot of us had thought everything was to this, but it was adjourned to Monday, and one of the statements that was made, which is even a bit technical for a lot of us who have been covering that issue of consolidation. We want to really know what it means.
Yes, you'll notice that before rounding up, the court raised the issue and drew the attention of counsel to this issue of consolidation of petitions, which is provided by the first schedule to the Electoral Act. And the court has given us opportunity to go and brainstorm on this and then come back to make our opinions known. You know, there are now 3 presidential petitions pending, and the court, which is provided by the first schedule to the Electoral Act. And the court has given us opportunity to go and brainstorm on this and then come back to make our opinions known. You know, there are now 3 presidential petitions pending, and the court needs to deal with all this expeditiously. And that is why this issue of consolidating all the petitions has come up. Fortunately, the matter is coming up on Monday. On Monday, we shall offer our opinion to the court, and the court will resolve this issue in the best way to make sure that this matter is dealt with speed. Thank you.